Hi friends, welcome to My Sew Bliss. Today I am in my garage, very unaesthetically pleasing. I will say I'm not a huge fan of it, but I need to unbox my new embroidery machine from Baby Lock. This is the Venture 2 and it won't fit through in the box. It won't fit through the door. Luckily, out of the box it will. It's not that big. So we need to get it unboxed and on the new cart. That is going to be amazing. I can roll this around, so that's going to be really helpful. So we've got that ready to go, and we just need to unbox it and start learning how to use it because I have no idea, and we're going to learn together. It's going to be great. So let's get started unboxing the Venture 2 from Baby Lock Sewing Machines.
The machine was really easy to unbox and open up. Once you get to the top, you get all the embroidery hoops and accessories that come with the machine. So I just unpackaged those, put them on the cart, and then there's little brackets at the bottom of the box so that you can lift it up. This was a little tricky to open up because of my long nails, but it was fine. Next, I realized I'm going to need help for this.
Okay, I found help. So we're going to try and lift it up. Let's go. Ready? Yep. Set, go. Oh, jeez. I'm afraid it's going to tip backwards. Oh, yeah. There. And then they lock, like, I can lock those in place. Oh, perfect. I probably need to loosen or tighten the bolts. Yay! We did it! It's huge! All right, here she is in all her large glory. Oh my gosh. This is going to be crazy. I cannot believe I have this machine now, and I'm so excited to learn about it. Like, goodbye family, goodbye cleaning, goodbye cooking dinner. Not like I did a lot of that anyways, but all I'm gonna wanna do is learn and then try it out and keep trying and doing all the things. So I'm excited. Let's take her inside, put things together a little more, and go from there. I can't wait, guys.
I got the sewing machine inside, and I actually got it to fit into my sewing room, which I was very excited about. And the first thing I need to do is take the packaging off and take the bolts out of this little red plate right here. Make sure you do that first. That's stabilizing things, so don't even plug in the machine yet. Take those off first. Then I'm going to take all the different packaging off as well. There's foam around it, cardboard, tape in different spots. So I made sure to get all those pieces off and then got the threading parts ready, the spool holder plates ready, everything just kind of opened up and ready to go. And then I was able to open up all of the embroidery hoops and pieces that it came with. This was fun to see all the different things. There were some things I don't even know what they do or what they're for, so I'm excited to learn about them, get them organized on my tray, get my cords out, get my stabilizer out, and then get the machine ready to actually stitch for the very first time. The great thing about Baby Lock sewing machines is they have courses that you can do a monthly or yearly subscription to, and they are so helpful and showed me exactly what to do and how to get started sewing with this embroidery machine. It made things so smooth and easy. Okay, I just made my first test on the machine. The colors, it's looking really good. It just got done, so I think I just push it out and then pull it back. Push it out of the brackets and pull it out. Yep, just like that. Oh, look at those beauties. I think it looks pretty good. From what I can tell, there was a little like nesting right here, which might have just been that like long thread from the bobbin at the beginning. It is interesting, these ones have a lot more white than like the green, which makes me wonder if that's like a tension thing or not. So I might look into that a little more, but overall that looks really good. And yay, my first embroidered thing is done. And Now we can try out more things on the machine, watch more videos. Baby Lock has some really great videos that have helped me set it up and get it all working. So I'm excited to watch some more of those, learn lots more about this machine, and do some tests just like this one. So stay tuned. We're gonna check a lot more out on this machine.